Good evening, beautiful friends. It's been quite the year, this 2020, full of challenges and hardships and curveballs, individually and collectively as human beings. It's been an amazing, unprecedented year. As the media likes to say, unprecedented, and that it has. So if you'll join me, I'd love to breathe together mindfully for a few minutes. Let's create space from the world, take a step back, slow down, and really connect to ourselves in the name of presence and self-love and self-awareness. Because as we cultivate those inner qualities, that's what we get to share outward with the world. We bring that inner peace, that inner alignment, that inner sense of contentment out into the world. We offer that to others rather than living with the expectation that the world is going to deliver me my fulfillment. So I can live as if the world and other people and situations and results and circumstances, I can live as if those things grant me my fulfillment, or I can flip the switch, cultivate my own sense of fulfillment from within, and share that wholeness outwardly. Can you feel how powerful that is to really own your own wholeness and then to share that outwardly? It's not dependent on anything outside of yourself. So let's practice some breathing together to awaken this sovereign sense of wholeness and well-being deep within your own self. So find a comfortable seated position. I'm here next to one of my desks, and I invite you to plant your feet firmly on the floor. Rest your lower back against a backrest, or you may sit upright naturally without support, whatever feels best for you. And this is an invitation to gently close your eyes. Raise your shoulders and relax them away from your ears. Again, raise your shoulders, circling back and lower them away from your ears. One more time, raise your shoulders, circle them back around, and release them away from your ears. Lift through the crown of your head, the top of your head here at your crown chakra. Find extension through the top of your head as if a string is gently pulling the top of your head towards the ceiling. So find length in your neck, in your back, and out through the top of your head. Allow your hands to rest gently in your lap. Bring awareness into your eyelids and your jaw and your lips. Begin to draw awareness into your belly. Feel your breathing occurring from down deep in your belly. As you inhale, allow your diaphragm to expand like a balloon. And on your exhale, feel that natural contraction of your diaphragm. So draw awareness and energy into your diaphragm as you breathe in, and then let that same energy release as you breathe out. One more of those. Now I invite you to place your hand over your stomach, over your heart, over your chest, whatever feels best for you. For me, it's my stomach. I'd like to really emphasize the expansion of the diaphragm as we inhale. So placing my hand on my stomach helps me remember that. We're going to breathe together mindfully, a few repetitions here. We're going to inhale through the nose, Expand your diaphragm like a balloon. You can imagine you're drawing energy up from the earth. Expand your diaphragm. Continue to inhale up into your chest, into your upper lungs. And that same energy continues to move up until it starts to amass itself at the top of your head at your crown chakra. So diaphragm is expanding, energy is moving up. Inhale, 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 inhale. Holding at the top. Hold, hold, hold. And this is where I invite you to practice a long, audible exhale. Long, slow, audible exhale. So you're just releasing your breath, you're releasing your energy, and you're allowing that energy to be attached to a sound. You're using the power of your sound and your voice to be a vehicle for that release, for that expression of that energy that wants to come out. So deep inhale in, hold, long audible exhale out, hold at the bottom. And then we breathe in again. And this is how we're gonna cycle. So we're holding at the top and holding at the bottom. Allow yourself to really release on that exhale. Don't worry about anybody else. This is your time and space. Honor yourself by really committing to each breath and each moment. This is not a space of judgment, just commitment to the moment, and let everything else go. Ready? Let's go. Deep breath in. Hold at the top. Long audible exhale. Hold at the bottom. Deep inhale. Hold at the top. Let's continue together. I'm going to fall silent. Don't hold anything back. Let's do another one. Deep breath in. Last one, fullest one yet. Draw that energy up from the earth, up through your spine to the top of your head. Deep breath in. Yes, hold at the top. Notice how you can hold much longer now. Get ready to let it all go in 3, 2, and 1. Return to normal breathing. Let your hands gently fall in your lap. Take a moment and just be with yourself as you breathe. Notice how your body is breathing on its own. Be the witness to the breath and the body. No resistance in this space. If your body wants to take a deep breath like mine just did, fully allow your body to respond to this moment and be. You are that open space of allowance and empowered surrender. When you feel ready, you can slowly open your eyes. I advise you to take a couple minutes and just be with yourself with your eyes closed. For the sake of the video, I'm going to come out of meditation, and I really appreciate your time here today with me. Anytime life is feeling overwhelming, really crappy, things aren't going your way, this is your invitation in the name of self-love and your relationship to yourself. Take a step back from life, connect to your breath, connect to your body, and reaffirm what's true for you. Thank you. Namaste.